What's up, Pro Killer?
What's going on?
Good. Absolutely. We've got a bit of a conundrum. Bailey's trying to figure out if he should get the peach cobbler or just go grab some candy.
Take the I-10 West exit on the left, then keep left at the fork to continue on exit 1C.
Last week it was 40 degrees and rain, and now it's going to be sunny and about 80 down here in Louisiana. Oh yeah, check it out. Now granted, OSHA will probably get on to me for being up here. The squared circle. Dude, we're like a couple hours in and we're already shot 20 cases. This is awesome. Day one. And corrected. We're at over 20. Couple points there. I love it. Right. Woo-hoo! It has been an awesome grind so far on this Saturday, right out here at Gulf Coast Paintball. We got Austin Notorious out here with us, the newest semi-pro team. So it's been a good grind. Lots of looks, lots of looks. I really like this Notorious team. These guys are solid. Well, good morning. Day 2. Man, it is muggy this morning. It's gonna be a good grind though. Hey, you need to put your seatbelt on. So what's your take on the layout?
I like it. It's nice. It's fun.
Here's my take. It's fast, it's slow, it's fast, it's slow. It's fast, it's slow.
Base man, Robert.
Sun's out, guns out. Here we go. That was a hell of a day.
His first ball was good, I'll say that.
Dude, they've got a lot of good first balls. Hell of a day there. We're wrapping up day 2. About to head into the event. Coming up on our first pro event here.
Yeah, I need to work on my shots. I really want to hit the little guy. Hey, Tiny, dive into the closet. Hey, little one, dive into that bunker.
Rexall Warriors.
All right, about to have a little speech here. Here we go. Ending the day.
What's funny is like, believing each other out there. We got to play some ball.
Canes on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Case! Roll! Case! Roll! Case! Roll! Case!
Hey, who took my role? The coach says roll.
Pope took it, baby. Hey, bro.
Pope, the coach says roll. I got it on video.
You see what I'm
Coach says roll.
You win the point. Analyze it.
Hey, listen. If Pope does that again, do you hear me? Internet world? Dead! Dead! Hey, that was fake Sicilian. That wasn't real Sicilian. I was kidding. All right, see y'all at the event.